Steven, I want to talk today about regel because you're telling me a quarter of the time, twice the shine,
Absolutely.
and the results are amazing.
Absolutely.
You've done how many boats now? You've done
I've done
personally.
probably half a dozen boats myself.
Oh wow, that's amazing! And there's videos that they can go online and
There
see
are.
this.
Yeah.
Nice. And then what do we have to do if somebody wants to actually use the product and the no regrets product? How it's not no
So,
regrets. It's the regel
Yeah,
website.
regelmyboat.com or regelyourboat.com. When you go to checkout, use no regrets and it'll get you 10% off. And like he said, it's half the time, it's a quarter of the time, twice the shine. And you're going to be very impressed with the results, and they're going to last for years, and they're going to make your boat easier to wash, easier to maintain. Everyone's going to think you had it repainted. It's going to look awesome.
Because this is more like a paint job than this is not a ceramic coating.
Absolutely not ceramic. It's not some kind of juice.
Wax. This is not a cleaner. It's not a wax. It's not a ceramic coating.
No.
This is cutting into the gel coat.
Yeah, it's far from any of those things. This is actually a two-part catalyzed gel coat that rejuvenates the UV and shine in your current gel coat and makes your boat look almost new.
So you could take one of these 40-year-old trawlers and make it look almost brand new.
Absolutely. If it still has color that you can see, I don't care if the color's faded out, it is going to shine. It will darken your color with that clear and make it look brand new again.
Anyway, check out the website, look at the videos, watch the technique, because this is going to change game changer for the entire boating market.
Absolutely.
And it doesn't matter whether it's a jet ski, center console, a
You've got
40-year-old
glass,
trawler.
we got shine.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, cause any fiberglass, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much, Steve. It was awesome. Thank you guys, all of you guys, for letting us in on that, and we truly appreciate
I'm excited
it.
to see all of your viewers' boats just be awesome.
Dude, I can't wait to go see a couple of them.
You're going to love it.
Anyway, peace out. Remember, live life with no regret. I do, and thank you guys so much for watching. Truly appreciate it.